Hello, how you doing? What is it? What's your name?
I'm Bill. Bill's Portable Welding.
And I see you working on a trailer today.
Yes, sir.
It's your first time with this customer here, Mr. McGill?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And what's your number? How can people get in touch with you?
You can reach me on my. You can get me out of Yellow Pages or online. Bill's Portable Welding, fabrications, and how would you put it?
You do all kind of welding?
I do all kind of welding, yes, sir.
Okay, and how long you been doing this?
I've been doing it for 28 years.
28 years, and people can get in touch with you, and
I also specialize in a lot of rod-on railing.
Okay.
That's how I really got started, and I do any type of miscellaneous welding, stainless, aluminum, and steel.
So all the customer has to do is give you a call?
Yes, sir.
And you will give them your expertise on how you can help them get their job done?
Yes.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bill.
Okay,
and who is this gentleman over here?
This is Jason.
Jason Szymanski.
Okay, Jason.
Mechanic here at Bill's Portable Welding.
Okay, all right. And how long have you been doing this?
For the last 4 years.
Okay, okay. And is this your first trailer here you done?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I like the way everything looks, and I'm gonna let you gentlemen get back to work. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I had some work done by Bill on my boat trailer, and the work was just as he said it would be, and the price was good quality work. I appreciate that. And it was very courteous. And you don't get that a lot in businesses today. But if you need anything welded up, any kind of fabrication, anything like that, call Bill's. Bill will get the job done right with professional service. Yeah, I had some work done by Bill on my boat trailer, and the work was just as he said it would be, and the price was good quality work. I appreciate that. And it was very courteous. And you don't get that a lot in businesses today. But if you need anything welded up, any kind of fabrication, anything like that, call Bill's. Bill will get the job done right with professional service.
Down.
Thank you. Okay.
This way your nuts are on the outside, so you can tighten from the outside.
Okay.
It in.
All right. Okay.
Go in, and you can see they're ridged, the bolts ridged.
Okay.
To keep it from spinning.
Right. So once it locks, it stays in.
Yeah, she's gonna pull tight, draw tight.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna look at this one here. And this is the trailer that is on the internet now. As you can see, it has brand new hardware on it, and it's been welded all the way around and painted up to help protect it from the elements, which is a good touch. And the rest of the work will be done to the trailer by the owner, which is just some cosmetic work, and that's about it. Cleaning up the bunkers and replacing the hardware underneath the bunkers. Okay, I'm just going to say I want to thank both of you for the great work you did. And you gentlemen, if I need you again, I'll give you a holler.
Okay.
And I also will tell my friends and family about you.
Thank you.
All right, take care.